Hi guys, I'm back. How have you guys been? I've been great. But anyways, I'm going to have a contest, and it's gonna be, I will buy the full-blown train. It's the makeup train. I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is. If not, Google it, or you can just YouTube it. I will buy you one personally, and I will send it to you, but I have to have 100,000 subscribers by January 11th. Yes, by January 11th, I must have 100,000 subscribers in order for me to pick one lucky person to win that beautiful train. Now, I do have it, and I will post videos of it, but I wanted to get it together, and I wanted to get my makeup together, and then I will show it. But I'm going to purchase another one a little after Christmas, and the lucky winner will have one. Okay, but I have to meet about 100,000 subscribers. Okay, and if you don't know who this is, it's your girl Quita, Miss Sexy Coco. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, any concerns, if you want me to preview any product, I will personally go out and buy it. I will preview it. I will let you know my likes and my dislikes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Again, this is LaQuita, and it was nice meeting you.